This is the gathering of all stakeholders in the Lagos State education sector. They are here to participate in the workshop on examination ethics organized by the Lagos State Ministry of Education with the theme Effects and Solutions to Examination Malpractice in the Society. For so long, examination malpractice has been a clog in the wheel of progress of the education sector. And as a proactive and progressive government, the Lagos State government, through the Ministry of Education, has been working assiduously to reduce this act to the barest minimum.
Examination malpractice is a deep-rooted problem and a critical challenge facing education in Nigeria today. It is a cancer that has eaten deep into the educational system, which is prevalent from primary through secondary to tertiary levels of education in Nigeria. Lagos State Ministry of Education, in its efforts to eradicate examination malpractice in our schools, inaugurated the Examination Ethics and Disciplinary Committee in October 2003. The committee is saddled with the responsibility of carrying out sensitization and advocacy programs to ensure attitudinal change towards examination malpractice at all levels of education.
At the workshop, the readiness of the Lagos State government to start enforcing the Examination Malpractice Act as stated in the 1999 Federal Constitution was emphasized by the Permanent Secretary, Ministry of Education, Mrs. Adebumi Adekoye.
The personalized optical mark reader also has been introduced, where we have objective answer sheets with the candidate's biodata and picture in both, so nobody can impersonate the candidate. The digital theory answer sheet has also been piloted to further consolidate on the achievements recorded in mitigating exam practices. May I drive home this address by reminding all of us that the Examination Malpractice Act of the laws of the Federation provides 100,000 fine or 3 years imprisonment or both for anyone caught compromising the ethics of examination. Thus, apart from appealing to your conscience for a better education henceforth, this workshop seeks to sternly warn everyone of the consequences of involvement in unwholesome activities during examinations, as the state government will ensure that the law takes its course.
Stakeholders such as the representatives from the West African Examination Council (WAEC), National Examination Council (NECO), and the Lagos State Examinations Board all voiced their opinions, calling for more collaborative efforts.
As long as we continue to pay lip service to the fight against examination malpractice, the cankerworm will remain with us. In actual fact, examination malpractice is a variant of the corruption in the society. The nature and cries about examination malpractice, which takes place at all levels of the Nigerian educational system, is nothing but a reflection of the society.
What are the causes of examination malpractice? 1. Laxity on the part of the student. 2. Poor supervision of examination. 3. Poor educational background. 4. Societal stigmatization.
Exams malpractice, from what we have seen, discourages hard work on the part of students. Many at times, the corrupt ones, by their deeds, pull the hard-working ones to abandon their studies and join them to depend on quack arrangements that really failed. It's a case of, if you cannot beat them, you join them. But children here, please don't join them, because the end of it is dark.
The key thing to actually curb malpractice in Lagos State is let us get teaching and learning right. Please and please don't let our children see all those 3 marks questions, all those inference questions on the exam day. Let children be used to all the WAEC-like examinations before NECO, before WAEC time starts.
Participants were given the opportunity to ask questions on grey areas.
My question is that in a situation whereby someone should not be involved in examination malpractice, and almost everyone in the examination is involved in the examination malpractice, what are you expected to do as a student or a candidate in that exam?
If there are 90 students in a school and all of them wrote an exam, why does what we call scrutiny of scripts? If 88 candidates cheated and 2 did not cheat, those 2 candidates will have their results.
Even if a center will be cancelled from that school, the exam written for that year must be marked, and it is when it is process of it, during the process of marking, that malpractice is detected. If it involves a candidate, fine, the script, the result can be cancelled. But where it involves the school, where the school played a major role in perpetrating that dastard act, definitely that school, suggestion is, the center should be taken away from that school.
I think one of the first things you can do to really address this is for teachers to really make up their mind to produce the next generation. If we do not prepare good grounds for them, we do not support them to learn well, our future will be in jeopardy.
Some of the key stakeholders who spoke to Education Report on TV highlighted the effects and solutions to the menace of examination malpractice.
When I get back to school, we are going to do in-house training for teachers, and on the part of the students at the assembly, we always have a moral talk at the assembly. We'll talk to them, and we have our students here. They are going to write reports and also talk to their colleagues back at school what they have learned here.
I decided to choose 2 sets of students. One that is a very brilliant student, and another one that has the tendency of involving himself in examination malpractice. And I believe that with what he has had today, the boy will know that he can do it. He will know that he can make it, and that he's going to make it.
I would advise them not to involve in examination malpractice. Examination is when you fail. It doesn't mean that that has ended there. So when you fail, just pick up the challenge and work harder next time.
My role as a stakeholder is to enlighten my co-students at the school about what we've learned here, about the effect and the solution of examination malpractice. That it's not a good idea for them to engage in examination malpractice.
Examination malpractice is an academic fraud which must be avoided at all costs. Students, parents and teachers should therefore imbibe examination ethics, which is integrity and best practice in education.